Welcome to the Flow Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording. It's 4:41 p.m. That is Central Time, and today is October 3rd. Well, we've had a lot going on. There is the prospect that the bombing in Gaza will end at some point over the weekend, following Hamas's announcement that they will release the remaining hostages, which is certainly a positive. It was certainly beneficial for the Israeli shekel today. And then we also had an announcement from the US Army basically saying that the AI that Palantir and Anduril are imposing is fraught with security issues. Now, Palantir pulled back in reaction to that, but it's actually up in the aftermarket. So that begs the question, how much of an issue this really is. But one thing we can certainly say is that the price today is almost $50 above where the moving average is at present. So we certainly have the potential here for further consolidation. And even then, it would just still be in a medium-term uptrend. And this range that's been forming for the last 2 months is in fact smaller than that which happened at the beginning of this year. So we have a steep but still relatively consistent uptrend. And this is still a very powerful bull trend in artificial intelligence, where excitement is certainly accelerating. And shares have begun to ease back a little, but we haven't had critical breakdowns. And then, of course, we have Nvidia, which was at a new high this week. And these are very much on the back of announcements for further investment. We've also seen this week that the private equity companies are becoming much more activist in investing in artificial intelligence. And you have companies like Brookfield talking about artificial intelligence infrastructure being approximately a $7 trillion, I guess, opportunity. Now, what that also tells us is that they are looking at this as still an early stage play, because if they still think that there's going to be about 7 trillion of value created, then buying today would imply that they think that they're getting in early. Now that is already following a significant capital outlay over the last 2 years. We can see, for example, that Palantir was breaking out really in early 2024, and the release of Chat